Welcome back to another video of Cookie Shoulders. So today I hope you understand what we're doing today. We're just doing a simple thing, not very simple. You must see my Dino T-Rex game first to understand better. So yes, we are making a Flappy Bird game, one of the most popular and hardest games. So let's quickly take a one flag click, forever loop. And for this video, we are only gonna this is gonna continue in parts, and we're only making gravity for now. Forever loop, and in the forever loop, we are gonna add everything. Let's quickly make a variable called, let's delete this, y velocity or gravity, whatever you want to name it, and we're gonna set y vel to 0. And for forever loop, we're gonna change y vel by -1, means it's continuously gonna -1. But we even wanted to move as we minus it by 1. So to do that, you can go to the motions. Then you have to take change y by, not set or change x by. Change y by, you do not have to type anything. You have to go to your variables, take your y velocity and add it in here. But we need an if then block too. Like it should jump whenever space key or something is pressed. So let's just say when key space is pressed for now, and we can add an or if you want to do it. Space key is pressed, then it is supposed to do something. Supposed to set our y velocity to a particular number, which is 17. That's my favorite number. 75 is my favorite number actually. So yeah, we can set it to 17, and we're continuously gonna change y by on the top also. Let's just add that so that we are double sure that we are changing y by our variable y velocity. And now it's that's it. Now the explanation time. We are setting our gravity to 0. In the forever loop, we are changing our gravity by -1 because we want it to fall. So negative is falling and positive is going up. But we even want to change our y by our variable called y velocity. So we took this change y by y velocity. Key space is pressed means when we press space, when key space is pressed, then it is supposed to set our y velocity to 17, and it's supposed to change y by y vel. So let's quickly test that out. Alright, okay, nice. Oh my god, that's hard. I think so that's not the best. 10 is the best. Okay, yeah, 10. Let's now try it. Okay. If we long press it happens, but it's only gonna set it up to 10. Let's set it to 7. Now let's try it. Yeah, that's Flappy Bird. The long press, you can add in a delay. If you don't want to do a long press, then you can say this and done. But the delay kinda doesn't work at all. So let's just remove the delay. But our program is really good, and it's just done in 4 minutes. I think so. I should add in his position, and like as you noticed in Flappy Bird game, in the Flappy Bird game, that when you jump it tilts a little bit. So that's what we're gonna be doing. But remember, you have to take this called, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ha! Point in direction 90 at the top. 90 degrees, as you can see a direction right over there. And yeah, 90 degrees. But now we're doing it in the space. Then it is supposed to turn this. How much is this much? How much degrees is this? I think so far 15 is too much. 10 may be good. Let's quickly set it to 90 again. 89, 90. Come on, 90. Come on. Yeah, that's right. Maybe 12. 12. Yes, it's supposed to turn 12. Alright, we have to do this in another forever loop because we have to add in a wait 1 second. Now I'll explain why do you have to do that. Wait 1 second and then it is supposed to turn back. Now I'll show you. Remember to keep those two turns the same number, 12 and 12. So now I hope you saw the delay. See, as I jump, I'm pressing the space bar 100 times. It still doesn't work that well. So that's the small problem. 12 is too less. 15 was the best number. 15. Okay, so let's quickly just do that and I'll show you how do you do that. We have to press when flag clicked. We need to add the forever loop inside. But we even need an if then because otherwise it's going to continuously change. And we're going to use our key space is pressed. Now you can see. Alright. Look at that. Its changing speed is too slow. It should immediately change its speed. Let me think. Yeah, let's try it 0.2 seconds, then it's supposed to do it. Yeah, perfect. This is so good. In just 7 seconds, as you can see, oh why well, this is real gravity. It's kind of hard staying in a line. You guys might have seen in Google, means in your phones or something, there's some cloud game thingy, like you have to dodge birds, there is thunder clouds and all. That's kind of fun. I may have me. As you can see, this is very harsh. Look at the Bible, but it's in the corner, so yeah. For today, this is the end of the video. I really wanted to make something more, and I'll sure do that. And I'll quickly make a costume of the Flappy Bird. And guys have to see how I make. First, you have to open your backpack. It's gonna load. Mine has thousands of it. Then press more if you have too many. Then after that, you can take your Flappy Bird. That was the easiest way to draw your Flappy Bird. I don't know from where did I get it, but I got it from somewhere. Let's throw this. Bye bye cat, you were my favorite before. Alright. And in the forever loop, we can add in change next costume. Now you can see, whoa, that's number 77. When flag clicked, it should switch costume to, wow, 88. These names are weird. Normal means the why didn't the O get typed? Oops, N is not that. Normal. Down flap and up flap. Upwards flap actually, but I'm naming it short. Yeah. So the up flap, down flap, and normal. It should switch its costume to normal whenever the flag is clicked. Let's really organize it better. Where is it? Oh, is that 60? That's seriously small. 50. What? Oh, I made it even smaller. About 100 then. Not even 100. 150. You gotta be joking me. Yeah, now it's better. And this should start in 1 second. Wait for 1 second, then the forever loop will start because it's like falling very like before we can even click the spacebar. So to do that, we can say wait for 1 second, motions. It is supposed to go to that. Now we can try out our program. Only, yeah, perfect. We can add in that 1 second also in our second program. Perfect. This is our program for now. I think so. I should add that thing in that. Let's just give it a small try. Oops. No. Yeah, I got it. I didn't get it. Yeah, I got it. Let's try it. Yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't actually work. That's why I preferred having two, and it's even gonna make your code faster. And yeah, our code is very perfect. Means it's, oh my god, it's spinning the opposite direction. It's moving downwards. I think so. I missed the numbers. Oh yeah, that's really bad. And that should be negative 15, and it should be positive in 15, this one. Yep. Oh my god, it's turning the opposite direction. Okay, so for you guys to understand better, I'm not gonna be doing it. So you should first take spin anti-clockwise 15 degrees, then spin clockwise 15 degrees. Yeah, but it's also gonna set, it's not gonna be that far from that. It should be set about here. uh, X will be negative 161, and if you don't know where to find this, you can go to this X position. You'll see these arrows. Yeah, and now this is the end of the video. As you see, oh, oops, I think so. I changed the Y. Oops, Control Z helps you not change it. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Alright, negative 3. And the X, remember not to change your Y. 1, oh, negative, what was the number again? Aye, boy, come on, right there, Flappy Bird. 148. 145 will be the best. Oh, I wasn't typing. Negative 145. And be careful of these negatives. You have to see carefully. Yeah, let's see. Wow. What? Oopsies, it's turning. Oh, and do not forget, if you have negatives, do not put if you are doing the opposite spins. Now it'll work. I think so the X is too far from the wall. I think so this was the best. Negative 167. 154. Yeah, negative 158 is the best. Negative 158 is the best. Now you can see what a change happened. Nice! Our jumping is good, and here I end my video. Today it was shorter, I know, and I hope I can save my project. Bye!